Hello everyone, I'm Charles from SpiritRadar. In this video, I'll guide you through a valuable tool in the SpiritRadar app, My Collection. This feature helps you organize and track the current value of your rum and whiskey collection. If you haven't added any bottles to My Collection yet, this section on your SpiritRadar dashboard will be empty. Let's go through how to start adding bottles and make the most of this feature. First, let's navigate to the My Collection section. Many apps let users add owned bottles to a collection, but SpiritRadar takes it a step further by letting you track each bottle's real-time value and see how your whole collection's worth changes over time. Let's look at how to add a bottle to your collection from the Bottle Detail page. Start by using the search bar to find the bottle you're looking for. Once on the bottle's detail page, simply click Add to Collection. You'll see a form where you can add details about your purchased bottle. Start by entering the price you paid and selecting the currency from the drop-down menu. If you bought the bottle in a currency different from your default, SpiritRadar will handle the currency conversion for you, taking into account exchange rate changes over time. You can also add the shipping cost, which will not be included in your collection's total value calculation, but is useful for personal tracking. Additionally, you can enter the online store where you purchased the bottle and the purchase date. Adding the purchase date is helpful as it allows SpiritRadar to recalculate the current value of your collection, even retroactively. Feel free to add any personal notes about the bottle, like tasting impressions or special memories if you wish to. And rest assured, all this information is private and visible only to you. Once saved, the bottle will appear in My Collection, where you can track its current market value and other essential details. If you have a lot of bottles to add, you don't have to do it one by one. SpiritRadar offers an option to add multiple bottles at once. Just go to My Collection and click Add Multiple Bottles. This feature speeds up the entire process of organizing your collection. Now, let's take a look at what's available in your My Collection overview. At the top, you'll see a summary of your collection, how many bottles you own, the total amount spent, and your collection's current market value. This is updated daily, so you're always seeing the latest figures. Just below, you'll find a collection value history graph. This gives you a visual overview of how your collection's value has changed over time. Next, you'll see each bottle in your collection with its real-time market value. SpiritRadar calculates this value using our proprietary algorithm, which combines weighted averages from both online stores and auction offers, using different weights based on the recentness of each offer. This way, you can see if a bottle's value is rising or falling, helping you make informed decisions. Another key figure displayed is the mean gain per bottle, showing how the value has changed since you added it, whether it has increased or decreased over time. For those who need to share or export their collection, the Export Collection feature lets you download a comprehensive spreadsheet of your collection data. This can be useful if you're considering selling your collection, insuring it, or just want a detailed record for personal use. If you want to show your collection to friends or share a screenshot but prefer not to disclose the total value, you can hide your collection statistics. Just go to App Settings and select Hide Collection Statistics. So, that was a quick tour of the My Collection feature. It gives you complete control over tracking your collection's value and growth all in one place. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.